2025 Game of Thrones, The Great Houses. $4. Pick your house / parallel number 19. Ah, shoot, you're right, fam, you're right. Oh, Lord, come on. All this damn styrofoam. What happens if... What the hell? What in the cheap? Whoever packed this box broke the corner of the styrofoam and then taped the corner back on. What the hell? I had never seen something like that. You guys already know how much all the gripes I have with styrofoam. Cutting corners, literally. You guys are saying it's not Pietro? You're saying Pietro is not wearing the red lipstick? I think Aaron Taylor could rock some red lipstick. Yes, we do. We just have to see the stuff in the store go first before I can list any more. You know what I'm saying, Matt? We're really close on 2. I will say this: as they fill, we'll list them. You know what I mean? As they fill, we will list them. Also, anyone in the break, can you guys confirm whether or not you got the email if you are in this break? So I heard last night was oh, we got more in today, is what happened there, Matt. We got more in today. Got the damn email. Appreciate the confirmation there, Muzak. These packs have a special place in Hale. Especially since I have to collect them, man. Bruh. Oh shoot. Peep the link. Send a link. Send the reference link. I want to see, fam. She's got the short hair in this one. That just looks right. Although it is kind of funny, she isn't in the she hasn't appeared in the Disney Marvel live action content, so it's funny that they were okay with her getting a sketch. Not saying anything's wrong with it, it's sick. Storm's an awesome character, don't get me wrong. It's a lot of X-Men sketches. Is that a sign? I mean, it's already been confirmed they're going to be doing a lot more with the X-Men coming up, so... I mean, in a very real way, if they do it right, the X-Men can be the second, like... the second wave that Marvel Studios really needs, you know what I mean? I feel like after Doomsday and in Secret Wars, they're gonna need something. And if they treat X-Men and do it all right, I think X-Men could be their saving grace for post Doomsday. They're gonna need something.
Oh, you came just in time.
Yes, yes. Hello,
Hi,
hello.
Bria. Do you need help helping me?
You don't have to. If you're doing something.
Ooh, Game of Thrones.
GoT. These packs
Who
are...
doesn't like Game of Thrones?
Hi, Time.
I hate
Oh,
opening
wait.
these packs.
Who is it?
It's Storm.
Oh, it is Storm. Okay.
Yeah.
That's a different Storm.
You're saying it looks like some people are guessing it's Spider-Man.
I could see where that comes from. Hello.
Are these like the packs you have to
Hello.
like?
Save.
Are they hard?
Happy holidays, guys.
They're
What's
hard
up?
to open and you have to save them.
I'm probably not the right person to help. I'm sorry.
No, you're good.
What's up, Durango? I miss you guys too.
Hi, guys.
I got some good news.
The news is good, he says.
A certain channel is being resurrected as of January 1st, next week, Thursday. You guys can guess what channel it is. And I bet nobody told Blue to sit on my computer.
Nobody. I was just about to mute the mic because that's news to me.
Yes, exactly, yes. Yeah, I'm glad somebody leaked it to you guys, yes.
Who leaked it?
No more, no more, me and the knot. Okay, wait. I got family in the car, guys. I'm so sorry.
Oh yeah, sorry, I forgot.
Not on the main, but I'll go back to my light channel.
Alright.
So yeah, prepare for content. I love you guys. Happy holidays.
Is it gonna be same time?
Yeah. Backer said he wanted it at 8, and I told him, I said I'd rather do 6, only because a lot of our Asian population was still awake later at night.
Ah, yeah.
Because normally, 9 o'clock, they start going to sleep. So have a good one, guys.
Take care. Have a good Happy New Year if I don't see you by then.
You probably won't.
Said the spicier content. Spicy. Let's just call it Blez Spice. No, I want to scoop up these packs and throw them away, man. Someone leaked that to me earlier. Damn, Durango hearing the movement in here before I am. I'm the one that's got to set up the damn room. Almost halfway there. Oh Lord, are we out of these? Are we completely out and then nobody refilled it? That's a headbutt moment right there. There was one left. Now I have to go grab another one with break. I'll be right back. Is this one easier if I cut it? A little bit, it's more consistent. It's honestly so much of this, the time opening these goes into saving the damn packs. Rono! Hey Ryan, did you do the powder coatings for enchant out here in Vegas. He said nope. I thought it'd be funny to ask. I saw it was a bunch of tall structures that had it. They're simple. Just metal powder coated to be white and such. Nothing too intense or crazy. Goodness me, man, these damn packs. Cut these on the wrong side. Should have someone who's more centrally located. I don't know if they travel, or if they're the company that does it or runs it is actually based in Vegas or not, though. But there you go. Did a lot of artwork for the last year's Storm comic series. Oh, that's cool. I just liked his auto. He had a really cool auto. Oh, I know exactly which ones you're talking about. The giant red LOVE. That's cool. That's what Ryan just said. Well, lucky for you, Roberto. Base doesn't ship. Oh, interesting. That's cool. That's a really cool one to have up your sleeve, especially when I know exactly the letters you're talking about. What's chasing? I mean, Pascal's going to be the #1, but you could still get Kit Harington. You can get... Oh, what's her name? What's her name? What's her name? Oh, it's going to kill me. Oh, it's going to kill me. Well, a lot of the characters in the show do have autos. Pascal's going to probably be the biggest one, because arguably the biggest name. I mean, I would want to see a Talissa Stark auto, since she's the granddaughter of Chaplin, Charlie Chaplin. I also did not know she was in the new Avatar movie until recently. Say Clark. Would like to see Amelia Clark, man. I think the Pop Channel's only seen one Amelia Clark auto flat out. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong. She's not an easy auto to chump up, you know what I'm saying? Amelia Clark. From Black Zekrom from Black Bolt ETB. You got him from a vending machine? Oh, dude. Love to hear that, man. Love to hear that. Anything from Seven Leaves? No, I'm okay, Hina. Thank you, though. I appreciate it. It's listed as scarce on the checklist, as it always tends to be, man. Bruh. Scarce means fewer than 100. I mean, that would be a massive, massive hit and chase. Amelia Clark as Daenerys.
Danny, can I call you Danny?
Call her Danny and she says Dracarys. And then you frigging die. You can get that perish juice. Alright, good luck, folks. Good luck, good luck, good luck, good luck, good luck. Tyrion Lannister would be a sick one, man. Alrighty. Here we go. Right away, there's Shay. Who would you like me to be? Not working with my father. That is going out to King's Landing, if I remember correctly. Tort, somebody correct me if I'm wrong. You know nothing. You know nothing. Baratheon. First bit of ink. Yara Greyjoy. I never demand, but I'm up for anything, really. She said that. Signed by Gemma Whelan. Get it out.
Yeah, we're outta
Take care.
Bye, guys. Bye, Pop Boys.
Enjoy the rest of your week.
Thank you. See ya next week.
Yeah, I think so.
In the new year.
Have a good one. Shays Lannister, that's right. Thank you, golfer. That's right. Edmure Tully. More like loser Tully. More like Edmure loser. I'm really roasting that guy. Brendan Cowell. Yes, Harag. Yo, somebody help me remember who this guy is, man. Not Night Watch, or Night's Watch, is he? Somebody help me there, man. I do not recognize him. And I just watched it this year. Greyjoy? Oh. It's kind of clicking now. Mia Reed. Always like the Free Folks materials. It's just some cool friggin' pieces of the coat right there. Mia Reed. Free Folk. Mormont. I'm confirming that it's Greyjoy. Steer. He said, I'm gonna eat ya. He said, nom 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 nom. I eat people. That makes me scary. Martell, King of God, and there's a Dothraki. Bro carved a star in his forehead and said, I have found the way. I'm gonna do some semen casing real quick, folks. Rita Stark? You're joking, right? That's just I'm getting joshed. What was that a for real statement there, golfer? You said nope. That is not where I would have imagined. I understand they helped the Stark, but was not expecting her to fall under Stark. Oh, speaking of Mira Reed, and confirmed in chat from us saying that she goes Stark. Some people always need help. That's a roast. That's a roast. Ellie Kendrick. Everyone says this is the way. That's all everyone says. She's like, I don't know about this, folks. They're like, shut up. Your brother can look through an owl. He knows what's up. Oh, speaking of a helping, Bran. We have a little bit of a theme happening so far. Sans Shay. We're not going to count Shay. Isaac said it right. He said, I'm not fit to be a king, nor should I ever be a king. I don't think that's a good idea. I think it's stupid. And then at the end they said, Bran Stark, your new king. Nice hit right there for Stark. Music. Lannister. Martell. Said faint reflection. I feel some kind of a thickums. Maybe I'm a liar. The Mad King. What's he so mad about? Whoa. Always love getting the materials of Jon Snow. It's Peter piece of the overcoat. Head overcoat. Pretty soon, music, you're going to be able to reassemble the entire overcoat. One patch at a time. One patch at a time. Then you can wear it around. Exactly. You could say it's pieces. Speaking of, I was talking about her earlier. Teresa Mega. Piece of her battlefield dress. When she's running around, people go, medic! And then she shows up. And then they say, man, I really hope Rob just keeps his head on straight. And then she shows up. Baratheon. Do some sleeping and casing. We got the happy face. Consumed way too much tequila past few days. So I'm giving it up. I never had tequila in my grasp. Never been one that I like. Every time, even if it's free and they're like, here's tequila, I go, oh man. Oh man, I'm not gonna enjoy this. And then I don't enjoy it. Oh, Luke Roberts. Sir Arthur Dane. On the on card. Luke Roberts. Sir Arthur Dane. Out of stock. That scumbag, man. He said, I'm gonna be king. I'm gonna be in charge of the wall. Didn't stop to think that maybe nobody wanted him to be in charge. So they're getting too old to maintain this. Time to switch to Trulies. The Truly Unrulies are pretty good. Confess. Shame. Shame. Went to my first Vegas Golden Knights game. And anytime the other team had a penalty, everybody in the crowd would go, shame. Shame. Does every team do that, or is that a Golden Knights thing? Trix Bell, hello. She plays Sally. Wasn't she the little girl that was in the village that was nearby that they stayed at, and then they came back, and then they were all gone? They couldn't make it through the winter. I think these are all upside down. Indeed they are. Oh dear. There we go. Shame. Take care of these real quick. Had a good run. Jersey and the Rafters. What you gonna do, Battle, when you come out to EDC one of these years, though? And they're waving Four Locos in your face. Alright, start. It's a piece of her dress. Man, that's really early on. That's like, what, season 2? That's like either season 2 or season 3, are you? Drogo. God, every time. Friggin' Jamie Lannister. They keep on going, oh, you wanna like him? You wanna like, you don't like him. Oh, you wanna like him again? You wanna think that you like him? Nah. That was the first episode? I thought that was like when she was riding in the back of the cart hiding. I could be wrong. I could be wrong. I probably am wrong. You're on. Hated that guy. So much Shay, man. So much Shay. Lannister. Roberto. Here's the Shay's dress. I think Shay's another character you might be able to build, just completely reconstruct her dress. Not forgetting the spot here a couple times. The Free Folk. There's Gilly. Signed by Hannah Murray. Hannah Murray. Gilly. I gotta do the Tywin lap. Huh! And there's Brennan Cowell. Once again, we were just talking about him earlier. See, in this photo, I recognize the background and everything going on. The Dothraki. Last handful here, folks. Last handful here. I always wanted to be a wizard. Samuel Talley. He was given a cool sword and he gave away his cool sword. Oh man. Get this guy out. I'll burn that card. Come on, we got one more in us? We got one more? Please? Dumb. Dumb, dumb, dumb. Take out some last sleeve and encasing. That was not the best. Not the best. Was hoping for a AAA star auto out of that one. I don't know if it's hiding in the last break or the last box break that we have over there. There's 4 more boxes in this case. We clear it out. We also will be doing the random for that metal card there on the right side there. So may the last one be loaded? That's my guess, because this one was pretty lackluster, for lack of a better word. There we go. Confess. Go out. Alright. Harrowell. Luke Roberts. MC Wright. Brad. Mara Reed. Another Cowell. And another Yara Greyjoy. That was 2025 Game of Thrones. The Great Houses 4-box pick your house / parallel number 1920. Again, folks, is the closer of this case. It's up in the store right now. Maybe we'll see. There's got to be something hiding in there. There's got to be.